In times where Apple Music and Spotify are merely flagging AI-generated music, Deezer is blocking it completely from suggestions or editorial playlists on its platform. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to for the latest tech news. Not only on Deezer, the company's made an AI detection tool available to other streaming sites in an effort to reduce the rise of AI slop and fraudulent streams. Deezer has announced that it's giving end users on all platforms access to technology. Deezer CEO Alexis Lanternier said in a statement, "No other company has followed our lead yet, so we decided to make it possible for everyone to check if their playlists include synthetic music, no matter which streaming platform they use. Our data shows that nearly half of the users joining Deezer from another platform have AI tracks in their playlist. To use the feature, go to Deezer's AI music detection site and provide access to our music streaming platform like Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, or whichever you use. Once that's done, Deezer will automatically import all your playlists, just as it would if you were switching to its service from another platform. From there, you can then see and share your results." Deezer has previously noted that 75,000 AI-generated songs are uploaded to its platform each day, which makes about 44% of total uploads. And out of those, up to 85% are fraudulent, copying songs by human artists and effectively stealing their royalties. Deezer says it can find those with over 99% accuracy. As Lanternier said, "We're expecting our AI music detector to be an eye-opening experience for listeners around the world." For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.